Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings in this line of settings like this. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find DeepSeek here as you see. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.